At the realest song.
This is a prayer to the Father. Guide my steps as you sit on your throne. Show me the way to get me food and me water. And do not make me go jump body feed them on. Only for people make bad mind take them over. Cause them a try to face it all alone. So me a call for the strength of the Father to help me to work for me own. Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. Me know I say it's easy to pray the wrong way. So Jah please guide me every day. Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. Most I bless me, yeah. Guide and protect me, yeah. Well, Father, the strength me would have take for bad mind another man. Help me use the strength and try find a better plan. The time me take a wish me to have somebody life. Help me pray my own life and try to set it right, yeah. Me no want to bring nobody for them links. Help me to go out, they go look me one of things. And I'm not perfect, I'm just a man, that's why me call. And you have to keep me strong, Father. Before my mind get bad, better you flip it round and let my mind get mad. Me prefer to work hard every day to achieve me goals. Now I got somebody for them all. Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. You know I say it's easy to pray the wrong way. So Jah please guide me every day. Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. Most I bless me, yeah. Guide and protect me, yeah. Yo, Jah, no make me bad mind addict for the Gaza. No make me bad mind killer for the range. No make me bad mind beanie for the granny. Jah please no make me bad mind nowadays. No make me bad mind flip up for the blasting. No make me pretty ticket for the clothes. No make me bad mind the angel for the store. Jah protect me forevermore. Before my mind get bad, better you flip it round and make me mind get mad. Me prefer to work hard every day to achieve me goals. Now I got somebody for them all. Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. It's easy to pray the wrong way. So Jah please guide me every day. Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. Most I bless me, Jah bless me, guide and protect me. Well, Father, me give thanks in life as me wake up. Cause of you make it still a guana. And even when me day no turn out like me want it to, me give thanks and me move on. But mind living on the soul and the heart of men. This fight is not an easy one. Jah elevate me and make me a better man. Help me to overstand. Before my mind get bad, better you flip it round and make my mind get mad. Me prefer to work hard every day to achieve me goals. Now I got somebody for them all. Father, before my mind get bad, better you flip it round and make my mind get mad. Me prefer to work hard every day to achieve me goals. Now I got somebody for them all. Keep on mind